Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another spotlight for you guys. This time it's gonna be a 2018 Power Wagon. Super cool to see one of these roll through. Sitting on a 4-inch lift, 20 by 10s and 37s. Let's check it out. The negative 81 is...
Oh my God.
Before we hop into it, guys, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, or accessories, customoffsets.com. We are doing another giveaway as well. Scoop up one of these hoodies. I'm wearing mine today because it's freezing outside. We also have a t-shirt as well. It's going to be customoffsets.com/giveaway. Get yourself a chance to be entered to win a complete, literal full build giveaway. I think this is the biggest one we've ever done. TIS wheels, Toyo tires, BDS suspension, a stealth road armor front bumper, and a black label lighting rock light kit. Pretty dope. Let's hop into it. First of all, this thing's freaking big, man. This thing is pretty huge, and this is only on a 4-inch lift. So in order to stuff these wheels and tires in here, we did have to lift this thing up. We only slapped a 4-inch lift, and this thing's massive now. It's also sitting on 20 by 10, negative 18 fuel assaults. Pretty popular wheel, probably the heaviest wheel on the market, but nonetheless, pretty popular wheel. And then he's sitting on some 37, 12.5 R20 Toyo Open Country A T3s. From the factory, these things are pretty insane. They come with the upgraded grill. They come with the 12,000 pound winch up front. They also come from the factory with Bilstein monotube shocks, but with the BDS kit, he ended up getting those replaced with the BDS's NX2s, which was an upgrade as well. Other than that, you know, there's a ton of upgraded parts on these Power Wagons. So already coming from the factory, pretty sick. And then to slap a lift, wheels and tires, this thing is pretty nice. This is a really nice truck. Moving on, there is some amp steps. We did install some amp steps on this. Now if we move to the back, all right, so now moving down the side of the truck, obviously you got your Power Wagon vinyl on the side. Also, he did go with some spike Velstem caps. We do have those on our website. And then in the rear, he just has the new spring as well as the new shocks, a couple brackets and stuff back there. Moving to the complete back, he does have some aftermarket taillights, and that pretty much wraps it up. This is a solid build. My guess is this is like a daily driver. This guy probably uses his truck. It's not like a show truck. And I think his wheel, tire package, the size of lift, you know, already being a pretty massive truck, then going with a 4-inch was the perfect move for this customer. So if you guys want to start your build, customoffsets.com. We got wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, everything you guys could possibly need. We'll see you guys in the next one.